Hello, this is Jacob with C3 Restoration. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Flir C3 thermal imaging camera. This is a tool I use for water damage assessments, and it can show you some underlying problems that you might not know exist. And it also puts on a show for any of our clients, and it is a very impressive tool. And I'm going to show you guys how it works and some key components. So it comes with this nice soft case. You can even wear it on your belt if you'd like. Now when you pull the camera out, you see it's very heavy duty, solid rubber. I'm sure it's shock proof. It also comes with this lanyard, so you can wear it around your neck while you're using it. And that is also detachable right here. To charge it, micro USB, so that's pretty convenient. Works with a lot of other electronics that you may have. It's a very slick design. So to turn on the device, you simply hit the power button on top, and then it goes to your set mode. Right now, I'm in thermal MSX mode. That's the main one I use. I'm on the floor. You can see that orange spot. That's literally sunlight. So that's how sensitive this camera is to temperature differences. And that allows you to see for possible water, behind walls where it's invisible. So some of the other modes that it has. Strictly thermal. And this is pretty much like thermal MSX, except it doesn't provide as clear of a picture. Strictly heat, it's just a little bit harder to make out exactly what items you're seeing. Picture in picture. So this provides you with the thermal, and then also, kind of the background without the thermal. And you could also take pictures with this. So, this is helpful for some people. You can screenshot this, and then you can also see what's going on in the background as well. I like to use the thermal MSX mode and just take a picture of it with my phone. But to each their own. And then it just has strictly a digital camera as well. If you would just like to take photos, you can get an app with this and just download them straight to your computer. So I'm going to switch it back to my preferred mode, thermal MSX. There's also measurements. You could pinpoint hotspots. So as you can see where that sunlight is, that's the hot spot. And as you move, it finds the hottest spot. That's outside. And now it's completely cold. It pinpoints the hottest spots. And you can also do cold spot. No spot. Center point. So the next setting on here is the color setting. I usually have it on iron. This just gives you different, color signatures, whatever you prefer. Rainbow, rainbow high contrast, and grayscale. I like to just use the iron. I think it's the most straightforward and easily understandable. There's also a lamp mode, so I now have it off. Turn it on. That turns on the flash in the back. And then you can also do flash, and when you take a picture, the flash will automatically come on as well, like your iPhone. So I'm just going to do one more demonstration and show you guys just how sensitive this camera is to heat. I'm going to place my hand on this wood for a couple seconds, and you can see how it picks up the heat signature left just from my hand. Even the small heat left from my hand, this camera picks up. So it's very accurate at detecting, you know, differences in heat behind the walls that you can't be seen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And, you know, if you have any questions about this device or where I got this device or how you can order one yourself, feel free to let me know below. Thank you for watching.